Okay, everyone, welcome to our BTCPay Day in Prague 2025. This is our sixth one, and funny enough, the way these started in Riga in 2019 was we organized it for ourselves, just to meet in person, because at that point in 2019, Nicholas, it was already 2 years since you and me started working, since you decided to obsolete BitPay, right? Little did we know that BitPay stacked Bitcoin, so we can't obsolete them. Bitcoin makes you immune to obsolescence, right, Parker? We were on that little discovery mission. But they are irrelevant at this point, and that's what matters. Like if you're a merchant and you want to accept Bitcoin, if you use BitPay, you're pretty much screwed. There is all that KYC and all the additional rules. You are much better served if you're on BTCPay, and then even if you hold your Bitcoin with Strike or Blink or some other providers, you can connect them with BTCPay. So congratulations, Nicholas, like very successful. Yeah, too. Yes. Yeah, what do you say? You're not the only one. Yes, over the years, we joined. So look, you have Indeed now running payments at BTC Prague. The rest of us are drinking beer, as you say. Super easy.
Drinking as well. I saw him. I have pictures.
Yeah, but he was drinking like it was trauma drinking, and you were drinking celebratory. Then Cooks, Pavlinex, and we have now our AV master, Webworthy, who is making these documentaries and making me too popular. So if you saw me like running away from some Bitcoiners, like he's to blame, because yeah, everyone is like, Rockstar, do you have that tag? Like you need to give me the tag. Um, but more importantly, like it's community. Community started growing, and people coming to these events. Like when I look in the audience, like I see so many of you that have contributed to BTC Pay over the years. Stefan shilled us on so many podcasts. He was like, Rockstar, it's been a year, come to podcast. I'm like, no, Livero, I'm not good enough. Like, yeah, you are. You are. Well, I can squeeze one episode with you. And then with Rod, with Bitcoin Park, inviting me so many times, inviting Nicholas, shipping laptops to Nicholas. And yes, so many of you have joined over the years and helped support BTC Pay server. And to me, it's crazy how free and open source software brings people together and allows us to work together. Blink that we use now, Open Gnomes, man, you've been so helpful. We used Blink at several conferences now, and sometimes we have problems, but we keep resolving them. We keep iterating, and indeed, we'll be talking more about payments. But we crushed it, man. This conference was amazing. So, yeah, thank you. So thankfully, yeah, it won't just be me. We have like many other guests, and we'll have 3 talks. We'll have you, Killian, following. We'll have Francis when he arrives. Hopefully he arrives. Oh, there you are. Thank God. I was worried. And then we'll have Emperor Nicholas presenting. After that, there will be a small break, group picture. So don't go before the group picture. We want all of you in the picture with us. And after that, Indeed will present the results from the conference with payments. And then we'll have a Q&A, big group Q&A. Like we'll be sitting here, but everyone will be asking questions. Some additional information. There are drinks behind, soft drinks, water, coffee. Feel free to, take any. And then if you're preferring beer and other stuff, there is a bar outside. See demonstration how you do it. You open this door. Come on. Yeah. See? Demo, then you close it. Yeah, a little like less louder. So, but and then you bring back your beverage through either this door or the other, sit and enjoy the program. All good? Any questions? No? Let's then begin. And our first speaker is Rockstar. Let's go. Yes, thank you. And the Rockstar has a special announcement because it's now been 9 months now. So it's a baby, right, Rod? Another great HRF Global Summit in Bitcoin Park, where Gladstein brings like, a lot of Bitcoiners and then brings them together and asks them to do stuff. So he pulled me and John from AQUA Wallet, and he was like, guys, everyone is using AQUA Wallet outside of US, but would there be a way for those people to somehow tie their BTCPay server to the wallet so that they don't need to custody funds separately, but rather as payments arrive in their stores, they actually go to their AQUA wallet. And I was like, that's actually pretty great idea, and it should be super simple to implement, like 2 weeks. And it's been 9 months now. But as I kept working on it and discovering problems, right, Killian? Yeah, I kept iterating, and luckily John has been amazing. Bolt's team has joined, and what I thought was a great idea, suddenly it was becoming a phenomenal idea. And I was wondering then, oh, well, this is a phenomenal idea. Who is big enough to make sure that we can present this well? Who is that Omega that can add a marketing firepower to this protocol so it gets the recognition it deserves? Because it can be only AQUA Wallet, but it can be Green Wallet, it can be all the other wallets, it can be a protocol that others implement. And of course, as I was thinking of Omegas, Samson came up, right? And I was like, Samson, how should we call this protocol? And he was, of course, Samson protocol. I was like, no, it can't be Samson. It must be Samson and Rockstar. So what we have now is SamRock protocol, right? And this will be first demonstration of that protocol. So to demonstrate it, Samson, can you join me on stage with applause? Thank you for doing this. Yes.
Thank
You want to say a few words?
Yeah, Pavlex told me this was an announcement for BTCPay server becoming a Bitcoin treasury company. So it's not.
No.
Okay.
Sorry to disappoint.
Okay.
Yeah. So
are we doing?
you can sit. So if I can get a mic. What I have here is a fresh BTCPay server store, and let me just refresh to make sure it's loading. Okay, there we go. And previously, what you needed to do is go here, set a wallet, set a Lightning node. And if you have shitcoins, you would also need to set them up separately. All that is abstracted now with SamRock protocol. So you click one button, and over here you have settings where you can say, hey, I want to receive Bitcoin on chain. I want to receive Lightning. I want to receive liquid Bitcoin. And you say, click, generate the QR code. So you have your, yes,
AQUA Wallet.
fresh AQUA Wallet. And all you need to do is, up there, is there a scan button? Boom. And can we scan it either? Yeah, up there.
I'll try my best. Confirm host.
Yes.
I
So
want to send my on-chain and liquid XPubs and liquid blinding key to BTCPay 99. Yeah. Confirm.
yes, send it to that shady BTCPay.
Okay. Confirm, and we pray.
And now it says
SamRock setup, completed setup of chains, BTC, Liquid, and BTC Lightning.
And yeah, and you can see over here that we also detected that. So if you go back to dashboard, you now have everything set up. So, right? It's really good. Thank you. And now if you have a store and you go and you click here, let's say $3, so that we do not hit the minimum limit on bolts, right? We get that invoice, and now see, you can pay in Bitcoin, you can pay in liquid, or you can pay with shitcoins. See, but let's see who is going to scan this QR code and send a payment. So you can brag that you.
Take your wallet out.
No. So you can brag that you sent money to Samson directly. Come on. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's some.
confidential.
It's confidential. Yeah, you're actually right. That's a really good.
Did I get it? No, I think I got it. Someone else got it.
I got it.
Yeah, I think you got it.
Boom! Congrats. And now we're just waiting. Yeah, you got it.
Yeah,
I got it.
Boom.
I'm waiting for the confirmation.
But now, what's happening here is that bolts is integral part of this because those swaps work with bolts, and we are using great bolts plugin that Killian will be talking more about. But you can see like, how quickly we have set this up, even with my fumbling between the two screens, and how powerful this can be for activists in Africa. If I bring up, or some anonymous guy brings up a BTCPay server instance, creates stores, and then has 100 stores for 100 activists that are always online, while money is arriving directly to their AQUA wallet, which is non-custodial.
And now it's confirmed.
Yes.
Yeah, it's confirmed.
Yes. It's extremely powerful concept, and it's illustration of, to me, like how the power of FOSS and power of BTCPay server, especially with this plugin system. Because again, I did code a lot on this, but it is what Killian and Bolt's team have done with their swaps and with their plugin, and that helps a lot. So, Samson, you want to add some few words on this?
Sure. So I think SamRock is very innovative. It changes the game a lot. So you can have a lot of new companies hosting BTCPay server instances on behalf of other people, but because the wallet part is now abstracted away and separate, it doesn't matter. So you can have a hosted server. If you're running your own, it's easier because you don't have to deal with Lightning and managing channel rebalancing, backing up all the states, all those complexities. It's all stripped away. But this is also a bit bigger than that because now it opens up the entire ecosystem. If you look at BTCPay, it's an invoicing engine, and you have the wallets. And other platforms, I think Rockstar alluded to this, like Green Wallet, Bull Bitcoin, many wallets can now integrate SamRock and be connected to a BTCPay server or something else like BTCPay server that is in the cloud and creating invoices. So it's a big game changer, I think. It's just so easy for anyone to connect to collect payments and be online 24/7, but still have your keys and your coins on your own device, or in cold storage too, direct to cold, whatever you want.
Yeah. And that's it from us.